Welcome back to Emily's Paper Caper, where today I'm enjoying some 70-degree weather after snow 3 days ago. It's time to share the April Sticker Club. Let's see what's inside this month's Sticker Club. And then if you keep watching, I'm going to assemble a page using stickers from my stash. The postcard this month is the bear dressed as an Easter bunny. We have some cute circus train stickers and an alpha set, tickets, flowers, some cute animals, bears. Oh, these bunnies are adorable, and so are the kittens and the puppies. I love the fast food. There are some little fairies and some more flowers, balloons, party cakes and pies, butterflies, hearts, and let's see what's in the gold envelope this month. The vintage sticker this month, I got some hearts. So cute. Here are some close-ups of this month's stickers. Be sure to leave a comment and let me know which are your favorites. Keep watching because at the end of this video, I'm going to put a quick page together using stickers as the main embellishment. A lot of people have said they want more ideas on how to use stickers, and we know I have a big stash of stickers to be using up. Throughout the spring and summer, I love taking photos in my mom's garden, and I took these photos recently of the daffodils. They're beautiful yellow flowers, and they were the first to come up this spring, so I decided to do a page, and that this would be a very simple page using stickers as the main embellishment. First, I'm going to mat two of the photos on the yellow mat, and then I will trim up the other photos so that I can easily fit 4 photos on this one-page layout. On one of the tags, I'm going to put the page title, which will be Spring Garden 2019. I've got a cute little ribbon to add to this to help draw attention to the page title. Now for the journaling on the other tag. We also enjoy bird watching, and the flowers and bird feeders in Mom's garden attract a wide variety, so I'm deciding to embellish the page with some bird stickers. Here's what the completed page looks like. Because I kept the design and embellishments simple, the photos really stand out. Thanks for watching. Let's hope this beautiful weather stays with us for a while. Until next time, keep on scrapping, everybody.